That's a king parrot eating immature almonds from the almond blossom. A king parrot eating either almond blossom, the base of the flower has nectars in it, or it's eating little embryo almonds. But it is an almond tree. They certainly like green almonds when they're in early fruit. That's their tune. That's them calling each other. Listen. Oh, here they are again. Where are you? So if you grow an almond tree, you'll definitely have some king parrots coming to visit. The sun isn't in the right place. It's cloudy at the moment and I haven't got the right angle for the best illumination. But it's nice to know that they eat almonds. There's a view of its feathers. Apparently they can see ultraviolet colours reflected from the feathers that human beings can't. They've got an extra cone or something that we haven't got.